And we're live. Thank you for joining us on this webinar. Hope you're having a great day. On the line with me is our sales guy, Matt. Not really, because this is just a test webinar. We also have our eye in the sky, Alex. Now I'm going to share my screen and we'll take a look at what we've got. Anyone on with me, leave a comment in the box, or I might just be by myself. Either way, when I show my screen, I can arrange it this way. Looks good. And that's looking pretty clear on my end. How does it look on YouTube here? Yeah, that looks clear. Does it look good on the webinar? Yes, looks all clear and discernible on the webinar. Excellent. I've also unmuted myself, so let me mute myself again. How do I unmute myself? Did I not have volume control? Okay. Anyway, I'm just going to go with my own voice now, apparently. Okay, well, let's go through how to do this. Are my models rotating well? That rotates acceptably well. If I just do a constant smooth turn and see what it looks like after 7 seconds. It's really not bad on either platform. All right, well, let's roll up this tree and see how we made such an object, right? So first I have this extrusion and I made a shell. I might need to utilize some surfacing features. All right, so I'll grab a surface here and I'm going to create a surface from face and make this surface just outline the outer boundary of the part. From here, I'm going to want to make a hexagonal mesh that goes through this part, right? Or a hexagonal infill might be a better way of saying it. Words do matter. So I'm going to actually convert this entire part to a surface, convert solid to surface. And I can sketch on the bottom of this face. And I'm actually going to reset my view to the other side. I just kind of like that side better. So from the top, I'm going to create 2 polygons. And from here, I'm going to say E for equal, H for horizontal, and make sure that both of these are horizontal. We'll grab a construction line. We'll go perpendicular. Wow. Perpendicular. Okay, we'll give this a distance then, 0.025. How about? And the sketch scales to that. Now, with this distance that we can maintain, we should be able to say perpendicular. Unable to determine a solution, huh? Might be because of our distance. Let's make sure that's applied at the right angle. And then say perpendicular. It seems to really like overlapping them for some reason. So I'm going to maybe distance here. Let's go 0.02. Unable to find a solution, huh? I think we're on to a sketch problem. So I'm going to need to create a new arc. And I think this is enough that I can ascertain if we have an adequate sketching ability. Yeah, there definitely is something going on with that sketch. So anyway, do I have clear visuals on that? It looks like we do. Excellent. Okay, well, that's probably enough for testing the webinar. Again, I'm not sure if anybody is on. I don't really have a way of seeing viewing statistics. Either way, I think that's good. So let's see how it looks when I play this glorious outro. Stay on the line and see this awesome outro we made for you, and we'll see you in the next webinar. We're done. Oh, no. We need to end broadcast up here. Okay. Enjoy this outro once again.